Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you after powering on the 6-side wrapping machine, how to check the motor's forward, reverse voltage, and frequency. First, connect the power supply. 1. Before shipment, the main breaker is always turned off. 2. During on-site installation, connect a 3-phase, 4-wire power cable. 3-phase wires, plus 1 neutral wire. 3. Ensure the phase and neutral wires are connected correctly during wiring. After connecting the power supply, determine the forward and reverse directions of the motor in the 5 operating conditions. Even if the technicians have adjusted the motor direction before shipment, if the phase wires are connected incorrectly during on-site wiring, the motor may reverse. How to test motor direction. 1. After power is supplied, use the remote control to operate the up and down buttons. If clicking down results in a downward movement and clicking up results in an upward movement, the direction is correct. 2. Since the first row of buttons is controlled by the inverter, it is not related to the phase wire. 3. Since the buttons in rows 2 to 5 are directly affected by phase wiring, if one button operates in the opposite direction, the others will also run in reverse. Solution: swap any 2 live wires at the main power input to correct the motor's direction. After correcting the direction, retest to ensure correct operation. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.